Hello and welcome to Daily Red Video. In this video, we will see how to fix the Wi-Fi issues with OS X Yosemite latest update, which released by Apple at the end of January 2015. They have released the 10.10.2 update to all OS X Yosemite users for stability and performance improvements, also to address some major issues that caused Wi-Fi frequent disconnect problem, Bluetooth headset problem, and a few others. But after updating to the latest version of 10.10.2, many users have reported slow speed issues and Wi-Fi frequently getting disconnected. It was working fine for me. It was working fine with OS X 10.10.2, 10.1 and earlier versions, but after updating to 10.10.2, I started to face this Wi-Fi frequent disconnect problem. So the first thing is I should give a proper credit to the one who suggested the solution, and it was found working for many users, and I tried it and it is working for me too. So I thought to come up with this video to help more people. I have attached the link to the Apple support community page. The username is Lyson, and he suggested the rollback of the Wi-Fi driver alone to fix this issue. All right. So the first thing, step one is go to your extensions directory, which you can visit by going to Spotlight and go to system/library/extensions. So in that, just type press enter and you will be taken to the directory. So here it is, and go to that file, that is iOS 8.2.11 family.txt. This is the file responsible for all wireless connectivity, your Wi-Fi driver. So right click and take a backup of this file, save it. So here I have named it as OS X 10.10.2 Wi-Fi driver backup. Safely store it here, and then you have to replace this file with a file suggested by him. If you already have a backup of your iOS 10.10.1 Wi-Fi driver version, then you can restore it safely. If you don't have a backup, you can download the backup of Lyson from Apple support community from the link I have attached below in the description. So here I have downloaded the file, which is OS X 8.2.11. So simply copy that and come to this page and paste it. So here you will see a prompt to replace. Just click on replace and it will complete the replacing of the driver. Also make sure before performing all these steps, you should have disconnected your Wi-Fi by going to network preferences or simply clicking on the Wi-Fi icon at the top right corner of your desktop. So do all these actions after making the Wi-Fi inactive. So it is not recommended to do these replacing thing the connection is still active. Alright, so this should fix the Wi-Fi connectivity problem, and make sure, once you have replaced it, try connecting your Wi-Fi once again. If it prompts for password, just enter the password of your Wi-Fi router and it will be working fine then. Thanks for watching, and do feel free to ask any questions in the comment box below. Have a wonderful day.